Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change frame rates in Premiere Pro. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Premiere Pro app on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, import the target media file into the software from the bottom left corner. Once done, drag it over to the editing timeline. Once done, get to the import pool and you can see that they both have different frame rates, but I want to make them identical. For that, highlight your clips, right-click, then select Modify and click on Interpret Footage. Under Frame Rate, click on Assume this frame rate and change the value to whatever you want. Changing a higher frame rate video to a lower one will cause that video to have smooth slow motion at a cost of increased duration. To modify the frame rate without changing the video speed, go over to Effects tab from the top and search for Posterize Time and add it to your video. Then, get back to Editing Timeline and under the Effect Controls, scroll down to Posterize, and you will be able to modify the frame rate to whatever you want without changing the speed of your video. So that's basically how you can change frame rates in Premiere Pro. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.